Oh, we're just on our way to we're just on our way to, oh my god, I can't even say. We're going to IKEA today. Gonna go have a look at some drawers and have a look at the rest of it. Try not to rear end anyone on the way. Yeah, get some pie, see what the restaurant's like. Should be good, eh? I have no idea how this works. I think we gotta go find stuff if we want it. But yeah, there's lots of people here and I'm very hungry. It's actually not horribly priced. It's not too expensive. Some of it's a bit expensive. It's not too bad. There's so much stuff. So you gotta find the code on the tag and then you go and find it. Right? It's very clever. Hey, what are you doing? You're going to lose your job if you don't cut it out. Don't get this clock because it's telling the wrong time. So if you buy it, you'll be telling the wrong time. We're going to design our own kitchen now. Our kitchen's a square and... oh, wow, okay. I wonder if they have Roblox on these. This is kind of dumb. I thought you could put like appliances and stuff, make it yours. Whoa. Oh, you can. Here you go. This is pretty much what my dream house would look like. So I've designed my dream house. It's just heaps and heaps of fridges, because I'm always hungry. Totals to $36,276. That's pretty affordable really, when you think about it. There's lots of fridges there. This is freaking huge. What do you want?
I don't know. Meatballs.
Do we get 12 meatballs with chips?
Yeah, that works.
I get 12 meatballs with chips.
A hot dog.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good call there. Where's the hot dog at?
I don't know, bro.
That's the breakfast menu right there. It's crazy.
Chicken schnitzel with chips looks pretty good.
Should we get that as well?
I don't know.
Then we can just share it.
Yeah, that sounds good.
We'll try the meatballs. IKEA meatballs. Pretty good. Not bad. Good size. You gonna try meatball?
Yeah, right.
Pretty good. It's alright, eh?
It's alright.
Meatball's alright. The schnitzel's pretty good. I really like the cranberry sauce. It's pretty yummy. I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10. What would you give it?
The meatballs.
Just in general.
In general, probably a 7 as well.
Pretty solid.
Maybe 6.5.
6.5 maybe. It's not bad. Like it's pretty good.
I feel like it's been hyped up too much.
Yeah, definitely. Like the meatballs are definitely overhyped. It's kind of crazy that you can come to like a warehouse kind of shop place and get like a fat feed at the same time. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Louis is about to be a tidy Kiwi.
We're gonna pray the tray away. Bye bye.
There might be hot dogs down here.
Hopefully.
We're not sure though.
We can only hope we'll find the hot dogs.
We've located the hot dogs over there. They're like almost as tall as you, Louis.
Almost.
Not quite.
Oh, it's huge. Massive, brother. We've got our stuff. You gonna scan it?
There we go.
There we go. 18 bucks.
18 buckaroo.
That's like the same price as a regular watermelon. Got a lamp. Where's the...
We're very professional. Green.
And it's all come to
105.42. And then we're gonna go and get some hot dogs.
What's the verdict?
It's like a French burger without the skin.
Oh, is that why it looks funny? Oh. What did you reckon about IKEA? It's pretty good.
There was a lot going on.
Yeah, there's so many people there.
And it's also like weird because they've got all these like little setups of different rooms with different stuff in it, and you take photos and then you go and buy it somewhere else.
Yeah.
It's a bit crazy.
Pretty crazy. Well, it's pretty affordable. Like for what it does, like there's some pretty expensive stuff, but it's also pretty affordable. But we go to Louis' house to buy some other stuff because it's too expensive.
The Chester jobs did not work out.
That's right. It was pretty good.
Good experience.
Yeah.